Ever needed to quickly pitch in for a gift or split a dinner bill without fumbling with cash or separate apps? Apple Pay isn't just for contactless payments. It's also a remarkably simple way to send and receive money directly with friends and family using Apple Cash. To get started, open the Messages app and select the conversation with the person you want to send money to. Next, tap on the Apple Pay button, which looks like a black circle with a white Apple logo and a dollar sign. The Apple Cash interface will pop up within your message thread here. You can easily enter the amount you wish to send. After entering the amount, tap the green Send button. You'll then be prompted to confirm the payment using Face ID or Touch ID for security. Once confirmed, the money is instantly sent and usually appears in their Apple Cash balance within seconds. It's that fast. When someone sends you money, you'll receive a notification in Messages, and the funds are added to your Apple Cash card in your Wallet app. From your Apple Cash card, you can easily spend the money wherever Apple Pay is accepted, or transfer it directly to your bank account. With Apple Pay and Apple Cash, splitting costs, sending gifts, or simply sharing funds has never been more integrated and effortless.